In this video, we're going to use the compare mode tool to compare the max flood versus the max ebb at the mouth of the Chesapeake while displaying currents and salinity on the map. If we open our legend here, you can see we have our currents layer represented by the arrows and the salinity layer represented by the spatial layer here. So if I go ahead and open the compare mode tool, I can turn the tool on and the slider populates here. So we're going to leave both currents and salinity on both sides of the slider. But what we're going to do is change the time for one side of the map. So right now we are at max ebb. So if I change the left map to 6 hours ahead, we'll be able to compare max ebb to max flood here. So you can see when I use this slider, you can see how the currents change for a 6-hour time difference. So on the right, we have max ebb. You can see the freshwaters being pushed out the mouth of the Chesapeake. And at max flood, you can see this salty water from the ocean being flooded into the Chesapeake.